Hello students, in this video we are going to understand how to round off the decimal numbers. It is quite similar to the whole numbers, so only some precautions are there. First we will talk about rounding off to nearest 1 place, then 10 place, then 100 place and so on. Okay, so first we will take round off to nearest 1, to nearest 1 means suppose you are given 5.2, 5.5, okay, 3.7. These are some examples, okay, which are given to you, and you are going to round it off to nearest 1. What you will do here, you will see only the decimal places after the T. Okay, similarly in the case of whole number there will be two sections. If the decimal place is between case 1 0.0 to 0.4, this is one, and another one is case 2 0.5 to 0.9. okay, if your numbers coming in this section, you will do nothing to the whole part, or to the decimal part. But if it is coming in this section, you are going to change the values. Okay, how? I will show you. Suppose I am taking first example 5.2. It is coming in this section, no changes will be there. 5.2 will be equal to 5 when rounded off to the nearest 1. Next example 5.5, it is coming in this section. Okay, so when it comes in this section, we increase the whole by 1. 5.5 will be changed to 6, and this all will be become 0. Okay, so I hope you have understood the rounding off to nearest 1. Next we will talk about rounding off to the nearest 10 place, then 100. It will be quite similar. Okay, now we have two examples for the case of nearest 10. We are talking about decimals. Remember it, we are talking about decimal. Similarly, these type of cases will be there. We will see the 10th place. We will see the 10th place. 10th. In the case of decimal, we will see the 10th place. Okay, not 10th place. Okay, not 10th place. We will see the 10th means decimals 10th place. Ones, tens, 100th, 1000th, okay, etc. So if the 10th place, okay, is coming in a particular section, we are talking about particular section. Suppose it is coming in this section, there will be no change at ones place. If it is coming in this section, ones place will be increased by 1. Okay, taking another example also 7.3. so it is what 10th place is what coming in this section. Okay, so ones place will be what 8.4, it will become 8.4. I have told you ones place will be increased by 1. Similarly, how much it will be? 8.6. Why? Because it is coming in this section. Okay, ones place will be increased by this. 7.23 means 7.20 simply, or you can simply write 7.2 because 3 is coming in this section. So similarly in this way you can also round off to the nearest 100th, 1000th. Okay, so I hope you have understood. So thanks for watching.